How to reverse playback in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and make sure you are in the edit workspace with the video clip you want to reverse loaded into the timeline. Next, select the clip by clicking on it once so it becomes highlighted. After that, right-click on the selected clip to open the context menu. From the menu, choose the option called Change Clip Speed. In the Change Clip Speed window, you will see a checkbox labeled Reverse Speed. Check this box to enable reverse playback for your clip. You can also adjust the speed percentage if you want the reversed clip to play faster or slower than the original. Once you have enabled reverse playback and adjusted the speed if needed, click the Change button to apply the changes. Now, play the timeline and you will see that your clip plays backward smoothly. If you want to reverse multiple clips, repeat the same steps for each clip individually. And that's it. Now you know how to add reverse playback in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.